Case study of Southeast Asia's daily production of 120 tons of edible tube ice factory. The ice factory is located in the coastal area of the tropical rainforest. Climate is humid and hot, water quality is high in hardness. In 2022, customers will introduce 4 CBFI 30-ton tube ice machines to build a modern ice plant. The region has a huge demand for ice tubes, and ice factories operate continuously throughout the year. To ensure the long-term stable operation of the project, we use the original German Bitzer compressor. Implement independent zoning management for ice-making workshop and packaging workshop. Effectively avoiding cross-contamination risks and ensuring production safety. CBFI patented heat exchange technology for efficient ice making and rapid de-icing. Produce ice tubes that are aesthetically pleasing and resistant to melting. The automated packaging line consists of a conveyor system and a horizontal automatic packaging machine. Realize automation from ice removal, packaging, and storage. Effectively reduce the risk of artificial pollution. Targeting the special environment of high temperature and humidity in the local area. Specially equipped with efficient cooling and easy maintenance condensing system. IceSource, CBFI, has expanded its business to over 170 countries and regions worldwide. Provide one-stop customized solutions for edible ice factories.